Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to store your natural or your fresh aloe vera so it can stay for long. And before we do that, have you remember to subscribe to my channel? Please share, please comment, like my videos, and let's move together. Okay guys, welcome back again, and like I told you before, I'm going to be sharing with you how to store this fresh aloe vera so you can use it in other days if you're not going to use it on the same day. You can see the lovely gel there. So from the previous videos I showed you how to extract the aloe vera gel, so I'm going to move so fast, just extract it and show you the different ways on how you can store your aloe vera. Today I'll share 4 different types of storing your aloe vera in the fridge and what you can use to preserve it to stay for longer. So the first thing that most people normally do, or even the commercials, the shops, they use the gelatin. I didn't buy the gelatin today, I don't have it. If you can get hold of it, please get a gelatin and just Google how to do the ratios of gelatin equivalent to what amount of aloe vera juice. And what I'm gonna show for you, what I'm gonna share with you today is storing in the deep freezer and how you can extract and put it in the ice trays, and then I'll show you how to preserve it as well using vitamin E. Either you can use the capsules, or you can use the liquid vitamin E, or you can also use vitamin C powder, or whatever you have, so long as it's vitamin C. Guys, remember what I told you last time. Once you cut it, sometimes you see some yellow juice oozing out. So we're gonna soak it for 10 minutes just to make sure that yellow liquid has completely come out. It's not edible, or if you eat it, sometimes it gives irritation on your stomach if you're gonna use it for eating. We leave it here in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna put it back and remove the gel and then clean it again before I start processing it. Yeah. Okay guys, we've soaked our aloe vera for 10 minutes in the water. You can see the water has changed a little bit. It's not as clear as this one. If you can take the camera to show this water, you can see this one is clean and this one is yellowish because that liquid has colored this one. So next thing we're gonna do is extract the gel. So whichever style you're comfortable with, I told you, you can pull it with your fingers. You've seen that we have the peels or pulp, whichever way you want to call it. We're not going to throw it away. So we'll come back later on another video and I'll show you how you can make use of these ones. Okay guys, the first way I'm going to show you is the easiest and the quickest, and that's what most people like to use, is by freezing your aloe vera. So what you need to do, like you saw me earlier on cutting them into cubes. So these are the lovely cubes that we got from our aloe vera plant, and I have two ways of cutting them. So this one I removed the whole cover or the whole peel, and then this one I left only one side with the green with the pulp and left and then exposed the gel on the other side. So you can just put it straight away like that on your plate and freeze them like so. Freeze it. So once it's frozen, this one is better to hold. It has a better grip when you leave the green part. You can hold it nicely. See, it doesn't slide. This one is a bit slimy. You can see that it keeps falling around. So usually I recommend that you leave the green part, and then you can use this for sunburns, or which I'll show on another video how you're gonna use it. For now, just know that you can store it in these two ways, or cut it in that two ways and store it. Since I had earlier on frozen some that I've been using, so you can see from the tray, this is the one that you cut the whole peel from the aloe vera, and this is the one that has the peel left on one side. So you can see it's completely frozen. It's like a stone. Yeah, and I'll tell you earlier on how you can use them on another video. And this one can stay up to 3 months. And what you need to do after it's frozen, just transfer it into your Ziploc. So because you need to use this one ice tray for other things, right, for making ice cubes. So what I'll do, I'll show you. Just get your Ziploc, just a normal Ziploc. See, it has a label, and it's very, very important that you put the date that you're freezing your aloe vera, so you will know when it's supposed to be finished. So all you need to do once your aloe vera is frozen, just drop them one by one, single pieces. It's easy to store it like that. Let me see the frozen ones. Okay guys, that's how it looks like in your freezer bag. Of course, I didn't put all of it. And then you just lay it up in your deep freezer nicely. If you have a lot, just consume it within 3 months and you're good to go. The second step I'm going to show you is, so you have your aloe vera cubes here. What we're going to do is blend it, make a juice or a smooth consistency, and then we can put it on the ice tray. Okay, so let's blend this one. Oops, sorry. See, there. Okay, give it a little shake. We still have some few lumps here. You can actually open just to see, have a, like, physically. Usually sometimes I use this wooden stick to just give it a quick stir to make sure you still have a few of them. Okay, so that is your aloe vera. It's too foamy now. You either leave it to settle down, or you can use any sieve that you have, any strainer that you have, like this, if you're in a hurry, just to make it go through, or just let it sit down for maybe 30 minutes and it will decant. It's gonna go down the gel. So I had done this earlier on. You can see it's in my metal bottle. So what I'm gonna show you is just how you put it on your ice tray. I like to use this kind of jug because it's easier to pour it from this point. Get this out of our way and bring our ice tray, whatever ice tray you have, you know, you can see it here, and just put them in your to make the cubes. It's gonna freeze. This again, in my opinion, you can keep it 3 months maximum. So this is how it looks like when it's frozen. So this is the juice. Remember, we have this one as well, the one with the pulp, and then we have the one that I didn't juice it, I just put it direct like that. So you have these two, and then you have this one that was juice. This one you can use it on your smoothies. Again, like I said, I'll do another video on how you can use your aloe vera. Yeah, so that's number 2, guys, on how you can store your aloe vera for a long time. Yeah. So please preserve your aloe vera in a good way. But remember, again, I have to make a disclaimer. These are just things that work for me, but you still need to seek a professional advice. And I'm gonna ask you, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share your comments, and share with your family and friends. Thank you, and see you on the next episode.